Today on Orbital Mechanics and Astrodynamics Explained, we're going to be talking about a phasing maneuver. A phasing maneuver is essentially two Hohmann transfers, where the spacecraft changes the size of its orbit and then changes again back into the original orbit. By entering the original orbit at a different point in time as a result of this maneuver, a spacecraft can rendezvous with another spacecraft. We see this here with these two spacecrafts in this blue orbit. Our first spacecraft changes into the red orbit, which allows it to enter the blue orbit and rendezvous with the second spacecraft. This concept can also be modeled in FreeFlyer, a powerful orbital dynamics software. In this example, a spacecraft is orbiting around Earth with its sensor pointed at South America and North America. By performing a phasing maneuver, we can change the location of the spacecraft in orbit, thus causing it to now point its sensor here over Australia. Thank you for watching our Orbital Mechanics and Astrodynamics Explained series. Be sure to follow us on YouTube to learn more FreeFlyer and flight dynamics resources, and see the link in the description to download FreeFlyer today.